cycle. The gunshot are busting in your face from the bride coming to itch for the war. Anytime you're a cycle, you qualify to like it. Anything I like it.
So welcome to the first audition of Flash Lyrical Warfare. You're gonna be graced with the presence of Baby Blue. Also, we have Arise in the building, and we have another top artist in the building. Listen to me. Tonight is gonna be epic lyrical warfare. Flash.
You're gonna need to join Baby Blue, aka the Jamaican bad girl. Representing exclusively. I make it clap, I'm a pussy clap. Everybody knows that my body like that, cause a Baby Blue. My happy thing like that's a Baby Blue, so you know me thing shot. You know like what I'm coming up with one top. Them girl, them are all rich stuff, them a fight over, man, I'm a little knick-knack. If I don't want to smoke, them jogging in a chat. Anything I have on my money by that. Independent, I'm a back book fat. Me not travel in a crowd, but me ever have a strap. That means they know we have a license. See, I'm young, don't make it up. Sometimes message up, definitely. You have to walk and I like them scared of a ramming heart. Just to me not trust no shadow after that from family. Then fight to the card and strength, then kill it as a twin to an arm. Look at that time, I love my mother. You know, cause it's been a long time, but I'm motherfucking awful. Look, you know what to do, you know. Where's the business? You go pay for I was Shenwell, he don't want to name Shenwell. Everybody saw me what everyone else Shenwell. He don't want to name Shenwell, I want in my life, and my life get Shenwell. He don't want to name Shenwell, say, go and watch me till I die, then mental Shenwell. He don't want to name Shenwell, he don't want to name Shenwell, don't want to name Shenwell. Everybody that don't have someone while they don't want to get gunshot or chop up the skin and the nose and the little. That's why they want about me, I create herb, drink me rum and rebels. I order herbs as a nice, I feel like I can float, I take it to the brain from the smoke start to enter my mouth. Now that's why the sailors keep watching till they might fell out. Now my mind talk them now about fella. Steady for boss. Steady for boss.
The woman say, I'm just a baba man, please. Somebody now is a shabba ranch on. So she makes some other plan from she but me. She said, what a girl. The woman want get wild, long. And the jubi just a spring for the marathon. So me fly cross fast, I could have drop on jet and I send it back to Papa Bang. So what a joy, it's to me and my right, she will give me God. She know now I go jubi like a fight, me should be the hell like the cookie nigga. She know now I go jubi always right, the movie so she fight the rookie nigga. She know now I go jubi water fight the tummy and fire like the nigga. Hey, big woman say I'm gonna play ball, but me like
real man, you know, like the vibration and things. Two artists them do a good job. It's what I say, yeah, me want to speak up yourself, my artist, never get to get their name. Arise, yeah, you don't know them two artists, yeah. Enter, so them in the thing, right dancehall zone. So, I'm gonna look for them, a J Blacks, the Tipsy Boss, it's a good look, I'ma like it.
Bling! Flash! Lyrical warfare. You see Baby Blue earlier? We need a female artist to come out. Have Baby Blue bless up the stage and she do her thing. Man. Alright, so we need more female artists like Baby Blue. Bless up yourself, Baby Blue. Dancehall zone, you don't know it's time to clash. Next week now go normal. So, we're gonna have Arise against New Heights in a lyrical warfare. That's it. Lyrical warfare. That's it. And then you know next Thursday, January the 6th, we'll have our second audition. Have a proper thing, alright? So we're gonna welcome the two artists on the stage. Alright? Now gentlemen, you see how much women sexy? Alright. So we don't want to war over here other than the lyrics, right? Good? Alright. So each contestant, you're gonna get like a minute and a half to do your thing, right? This can work it. Perfect. So you're gonna do your thing, then next person. Then next person. Alright? So 2 songs each. Good? Perfect. Alright, so who's gonna start first, alright?
Round 1.
Alright, give me the microphone.
better. Two pictures, a big celebration and a birthday bunch. Let announcement, set the clock. When the right for them 16 clock, it left 15 jump. Mama said get up like a black. I just heard time down, so me set the clock. And I'm a grill out at it in a flash. One round with a pop, friend like the bash and dead. You know see a dead man when he's alive, me taking points. Friends them can't survive, shot in the giant. Rifles with the drive, stand with that smile, a bright up like a child. You know see a dead man when he's alive, me taking points. Friends them can't survive, shot in a giant. Rifles in a drive, stand with that smile, a bright up like a child.
Round two.
I just heard the thing that you could do. Step up in a war, me, brother, that go with the do. I left the place up like just block out, man. Open good do. Show me this time, I tell you what should do. Did I try to run, but good do. You know, if all my words make shut up like Chuno. I don't think when I'm going to pick with Chuno. Got me already have some class in the phone, on the phone. Step up in a war, everybody in the phone. Want to place for a vice and the phone. You gonna get mad in the vice and the phone. Wanna feel like good look at cartoon. Me and my dance on the phone. They give us a more soon. To put some kind of good shot Chuno. Alright then. A problem with my wife and my gun. Boy life is short for me done one shot. I fire more than most of them come tell them I never look at me the ground. It's the kid them know for me one kill it me not the night before and see the sun shot power with him head like smoke with the lung killing and laugh. So me roll with my fun.
I was in the background and I was scared. I was like, should I, referee? But, me love it. Both of you did a wonderful job. I saw the thing, wonderful job. I'm very impressed. Alright, new hands. Okay, going back to class, the lyrical warfare. Introducing Jay Blacks, big man on the scene as the judge. We're going to get a picture. I like the referee part because the two artists them bad. So we're going to have a tiebreak, alright? We're going to call that new height and a rise. Yeah, blend them here. So arise and new height. So we'll have to have a tiebreak. So as the artist them the two bad, confuse my brain, and probably the judge too. So 1 tune each, and then we're gonna pick a winner.
Ready?
Steady.
How are you? Well, now, I knew I smell like a chopping away, isn't it? A picture though. Watch out. Alright. No time to reflect on the last time I stepped up my laugh because me have another one to make a quick WS. She's fucking chest on my car from my gun and my car the females. You know what I need to think some never tell you me suggest stop making from them picture and shake up in the image. Bullet so let me go ahead. And when me say lady, when me a class boy guy and comes, you know where the opponent. Me a clapping at a battlefield moment and gonna check up me make bullet. Hey, tell me now, hey, it's me. Where you fuck a run go? Head fly your son. I mean, I know where your anger. Hey, blood red like cherry, never green like mango. It's funny, on the song go. If you know such a thing, would have fly through the speaker. I got to tell me and the teacher. This boy ain't from Bill, so we know him a eater. Let me kill him free, when the ready getting sweeter. Ready? Ready?